Hello students, in this video we will discuss the next concepts of chapter 5 Roman numerals. Comparison of Roman numerals. How can you compare the Roman numerals? We are given two Roman numbers XII and IX. First of all, you will write their Indo-Arabic numerals. XII is the Roman numeral of 12, so you will write here 12, and IX is the Roman numeral of 9, so you will write here 9. Now you will compare 12 and 9. 12 is greater than 9, so you will use this sign, that is XII is greater than IX. In the next example, XIX and XXI, you will compare these these Roman numbers. XIX is the Roman number of 19 and XXI is the Roman numeral of 21. Now you will compare 19 and 21. Here 19 is less than 21, so you will write XIX is less than XXI. Then next is ascending and descending order. You are given some Roman numerals XIV, XII, XI and XV. First of all, you will change them in Indo-Arabic numerals. X is the Roman numeral of 10, so you will write here 10. Then IV is the Roman numeral of 4, so you will write here 4. Then VII is the Roman numeral of 7, so you will write here 7. And XI is Roman numeral of 11, so you will write here 11. And XV is the Roman numeral of 15. Now you will arrange these numbers in ascending and descending order. In ascending order, we always arrange numbers from smallest to largest. So the smallest number is 4 and its Roman numeral is IB. So you will write here IB. And then next is 7 and the Roman numeral of 7 is VII. So you will write here VII. Then next will be 10 and its Roman numeral is X. So write here X. Then next will be 11, that is XI, right here XI. Then last will be 15 and its Roman numeral is XV. So you will write here XV. So this is the ascending order of the given Roman numerals. And now we will arrange these numbers in descending order. In descending order, we always arrange numbers from largest to smallest. So the largest number is 15. So write here XV because its Roman numeral is XV. Then next will be XI, that is 11. Then next will be 10, that means X. Then next one will be 7 and its Roman numeral is VII. And the last one will be 4, that is IV. So this is descending order. Now you can arrange these numbers in ascending and descending order easily. So thank you. Have a nice day.